Hi, welcome to How to Guide Tech today. I'll walk you through Boolean operations in Figma and show how they help you make simple icons and logos, step by step. Boolean operations let you combine basic shapes to make new ones. They are quick and useful when you want custom icons or small illustrations without leaving Figma. Let's draw a few circles to see how it works. Add fill color to each. Start with union. Select two or more shapes. You will find a Boolean button in the upper side of the right-hand menu. Use union to join into one single shape. As you can see, two overlapping circles become one object that uses a single fill color. Expand the Boolean group in the Layers panel to access each original shape. If you need to break them apart completely, right-click and choose Ungroup to restore individual shapes. Subtract removes the top shape from the one underneath. If you place a small circle over another circle and use subtract, you'll get a ring or a cutout where they overlap. Intersect keeps only the area where shapes overlap. Two circles that cross will leave the almond-shaped center when you use intersect. Exclude removes the overlapping piece, but keeps the outer parts combined, so the center cutout becomes a hollow area between the shapes. Flatten converts the Boolean result into a standard vector path. After flatten, the shapes behave like a single vector object, and you lose the editable Boolean group. So use it when you don't need to edit the original shapes anymore. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video?